No mercy gang. No mercy gang. No mercy gang.
Tap in, cause I'm on this beat relaxing, I ain't tryna rap. Cause I bought a glizzy with half a honey, he ain't tryna scrap. Posted where it's at, I can't be broke, I gotta keep it back. Man, these niggas crazy, don't talk crazy or we up in max. I'ma keep them days when I was broke in the past. Nigga, the reason you ain't got no money, you sitting on your ass, ain't you? When you start making your little money, don't let the bag break you. Remember your day ones, them niggas that was on their ass with you. When you start flexing, having the ball, you want the ball with you. All y'all gotta have her on y'all to hit the mall litty. Can't wait till me and my dogs is up to fuck up y'all city. Everybody know if you won't pack them, just call Jimmy. That nigga stay facing woods and gas, I'll let you matchin' with him. Don't bring no boogie to the session, I ain't matching with you. Bottom line, I couldn't waste time, I straight made it happen. Cause niggas dying and I ain't with crying unless she made me happy. Because riding with nines and ain't sitting in the passenger. Only time he reaches when you try to go to Asher Blunt. You better get your bitch, cause round us she down to fuck. And I don't give a fuck, cause if she give it up, she give it up. Big bro said go get him, then he gone. I ain't asking no question, clear the lane so I can score. Niggas moving stupid, they big homies did them wrong. They ain't even put them on, my big homies put me on. They ain't hit me with no package, I got up and made it happen. They gave a nigga knowledge on how to make a profit, on how to turn a couple bills into a couple thousand.
Big Glock, yeah, I'm really about to drop niggas. Send shots, I'ma bid and kill the hot nigga. Reason jump a track, I'ma mix up something hot, nigga. Riding around the city, I've been trapping with my Glock with me. And I got a drum up on the Glock, I'm tryna drop 50. Made me drop 17s, I'm chopping, you tryna drop niggas. We know where niggas hide, bitch, we been had to drop on niggas. Crack under my nails, I ain't never got no gloves with me. Making all these sales, got me riding with a dumb 50. Dope all I smell, I just blew up a batch of scissors. Trey riding with bail, so I let my nigga tote the glizzy. Time me here again, you would think these fiends live with me. Been a damn drought, so the fiends say I'm being stingy. I'm talking crazy, I'm gon' catch him at the red light. You can't talk cash with me, you ain't even got your bread right. I can't fuck up on that bitch, ain't even got her legs tight. Thumbing through these bands, get my niggas in the feds right. When I see him, I'm shooting every nigga on sight. You wanna be him? All these lame niggas style by.
I want a threesome, yeah, it's gon' be a wild night. So bring your friend too, cause she can get some pipe too. You gotta show you something, cause I ain't just come for you. I'm finna go down, I kinda feel bad for you. I'm finna rip some, I'm tryna dig into you. I got this one move, I wanna see what it do. So don't move until I tell you to. I won't control you. What I'm supposed to do, I ain't your older dude. That's why he older you, cause he wasn't doing what he's supposed to do. And now you gon' need through.
No mercy gang. No mercy gang. No mercy gang.